What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to view and manage WordPress error logs using cPanel. If your WordPress site is behaving strangely, throwing errors, or showing a white screen without much explanation, the error logs are often the best place to start. They record PHP errors, warnings, and server issues that can help you pinpoint exactly what's going wrong. The good news is cPanel gives you easy access to these logs without needing any extra tools. And this is another benefit of hosting with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. With built-in metrics and logging tools, you can quickly diagnose problems and take action with confidence. If you're not hosting with us yet, check us out at RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make WordPress troubleshooting simple and reliable. Before we jump in, I'll mention that error logs are especially useful when combined with debugging mode in WordPress. Together, they give you a clear picture of what's happening behind the scenes. All right, let's move right into the steps. Start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're on the main dashboard, scroll down to the metrics section and click on errors. This page shows you the most recent error messages generated by your website. Each entry includes the date, time, and a short description of what went wrong. Look through the list and focus on errors related to PHP files, plugins, themes, or WordPress core files. These are usually the ones that directly affect how your website loads or functions. If you see repeated errors pointing to the same plugin or theme, that's often a strong indication of where the problem is coming from. You can then disable the plugin, switch the theme, or update the affected files as needed. For deeper troubleshooting, you can also check raw error log files, go back to File Manager, navigate to your WordPress directory, and look for files like error_log or logs stored inside of specific folders. Opening these files lets you see more detailed error messages that may not appear in the main cPanel errors screen. After reviewing the logs and fixing the issue, keep an eye on the error log to make sure that the same errors don't appear continuously. New entries should stop once the problem is resolved. And that's it. You've successfully viewed and managed WordPress error logs using cPanel. Understanding these logs gives you a huge advantage when troubleshooting issues because you no longer are guessing at what's wrong. This is another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you powerful diagnostic tools built right into your account. With access to error logs, you can quickly identify and fix problems before they impact your visitors. If you're looking for reliable hosting with cPanel access, head on over to RackNerd.com. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step WordPress tutorials just like this one. All right, that wraps things up for me today. I will catch you in the next video.